Got a new iPhone and don't want to lose your contacts? Here are 3 easy ways to move them in under a minute. First, iCloud Sync. On your old iPhone, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and make sure Contacts is turned on. Still on the old iPhone, scroll down, tap iCloud Backup, then Backup Now to push your latest contacts to iCloud. Now on your new iPhone, sign in with the same Apple ID, go to iCloud, turn on Contacts, and wait a moment while they sync. Open the Contacts app on the new iPhone to check everything arrived. If not, give it another minute on Wi-Fi. No iCloud? No problem. Let's use Quick Start to move everything during setup. Turn on your new iPhone and place it next to your old one with Bluetooth on. On screen, tap Continue when Quick Start appears. Use your old iPhone to skim the animation on the new one, then choose Transfer from iPhone to bring over apps, data, and contacts. Keep both phones plugged in and close together until the transfer completes, then open Contacts on the new iPhone to confirm. If you store contacts on a SIM, move the SIM into the new iPhone, then go to Settings, Contacts, Import SIM Contacts. Or back up your old iPhone to a computer with Finder or iTunes, then restore that backup to your new iPhone to bring contacts across. Choose the method that suits you best, and your contacts will follow you to your new iPhone in just a few taps.